Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you PHP MySql database operations. I will cover everything. When you are going to crack an interview, then this will be very helpful for you. So I am going to show you how you can make best database connection using PHP and MySql, and also we are going to use Bootstrap, so you can easily understand actually what they are going to ask in interview and how you can give result to them so they can select you. So first of all, you need this XAMPP. Without XAMPP you cannot use MySql. So first of all, you need to install this XAMPP. Then you need to start these two services. And then you need one editor. So I have one this editor. You can use any editor. Right now we are going to use here Notepad++, and also we are going to use Bootstrap also. So we are going to use this Notepad. Now I am going to save as. We need to save inside our XAMPP folder. So G drive, XAMPP, and inside XAMPP you need to select this 80 dots folder. I am going to create one folder here, php_connection, and now inside that I am going to give name index.php. So you can see now we have this index.php file is ready. Now I am going to run and I am going to check the path is okay or not. Here in last we don't need to write index.php because it is the default file, that's why. Now we need to create database. So for that I am going to open localhost php myadmin. This is the MySql. Here in databases, here we need to write our database name. So I am going to write database name php_connection and then create. Now here I am going to create one table. Table name is table1, and we are going to take 5 field. I will cover everything, so no worry about it. Here I am going to take one field ID, integer, then 5. Here primary key and auto increment. Here first name, varchar, then email, and their contact. Now I am going to save. So you can see now we have one table with this 5 field and ID is auto increment. Now we are going to use Bootstrap also, so we need some file of Bootstrap. So for that, just open Google and write Bootstrap Form. So we'll get any link of this W3 school. Just open it. We are going to use this type of form, means first heading and then text box. So here this is the example. So just open try it forms. You can open any example because we are going to collect this from this HTML to body. So I am going to copy this, paste, then slash body and then slash HTML. Now save. And in between, inside body we need this container and this form. So copy, and now we are going to paste. Now just I am going to run here, and you can see we have this form. You can see this form width is very high, but we don't want this type of bit form. We want little bit. little, so here I can write like this: division class call lg4 and complete here. Yeah, so this is a form, but right now you can see we want first name, last name, email and contact. So according to it, we are going to change the heading. First of all, in form action, we are going to make this empty, then name, you can give any name, and here we need to give method post. Yeah, this is good. Now here id is auto increment, so we don't need to take this. First name, last name, here input type text, first name, here id, last name, yeah, first name, last name. Then I am going to copy this for email, here email, yeah, email. Now we don't need this chatbot, so I'm going to delete this. Now I'm going to copy and paste contact, yeah. So now I'm going to check here. Yeah, you can see we got here first name, last name, email and contact, and we are going to change this heading. Yeah, so we got this. Now we are going to change the heading of this submit button. So for that, here insert, yeah, now here update, we are going to change here name, insert, we need to give unique name to all button, that's why, delete, oh here we need to give update, and here delete, yeah, yeah, and display we will display directly. So when you are going to insert the record, we will display that directly, but before that we are going to start this our insert operation. So now for that we need some part to display our record also. So I'm going to copy this, paste here, and /div. Here we are going to display our record. I just made part, yeah, but later on, no worry about it. So cut this, yeah. So now after this body or anywhere you can write your PHP code. So I just start PHP code. Here I am going to write if is set underscore post, and our first button is insert. So I'm going to write like this. When you are going to do this type of event on that time, after writing this code, just write echo and write something for testing, because sometime what happen, I'm going to check this. You can see I just press insert button, I got testing. Sometime what happen, if you are missing something to write here, or did any mistake, or button name incorrect, then what happened? Your this event was not worked and you are going to find your error anywhere else. That's why just check it that you are getting this message. If you are getting this message, then this is okay. Now if you are getting any problem, then problem is between these two curly bracket only, not anywhere else. That's why. Okay, now as a professional, when you are going to do any database connectivity, you need to create one connection file. So I am going to create new file. I am going to save this file connection.php inside my same folder, and inside this you need to write $link is equal to mysqli underscore connect localhost and here root. Localhost is your server name, root is your username, and third parameter is empty because right now we don't have any password. That's why. And here we need to give your database name. Our database name is php underscore connection. Yeah, good. And here you need to write or die. So if you are getting any problem, so this die will give you proper message. That's why this is a one kind of try catch. Yeah, just copy this and paste here also. Yeah, now I am going to include that file here. Include connection.php. Yeah, and these all bootstrap files that you need to include. Yeah, which we already included here. Okay, so directly now we need to write here mysqli underscore query $link, and here we can write insert into our table name is table1 and values, and here we need to pass 5 parameter. First one is id, that is the auto increment. That's why we need to pass like this null and 5. Then we need to pass all the parameter inside single quotes. Yeah, so first name, last name, email and contact. This is the name of our text boxes that we need to pass here. So I'm going to pass here. First name, last name, email, and here we need to pass contact. Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to check. I'm going to write here my name, my email and my contact, and insert. Oh yeah, here we need to write input type text. Yeah, and insert. Yeah, now I am going to check here browse, and yeah, you can see we got record inside our MySQL database, our MySQL table. But now that inserted record we want to display here in below here. So for that, here we need to display our record, but for that we are going to take Bootstrap table. So here we can see Bootstrap tables. Yeah, there are lots of format. We are going to take this format, so try it yourself. Directly we can take this table up to this slash table. This is very easy, same as our HTML table, only the difference is just given this name, and this is the heading, and I'm going to delete this. Yeah, we are going to change first name, last email, and one more heading, and that is, yeah, we are going to display ID also. So for ID we can write like this, th. Yeah, and now here we need to do our database connectivity. So for that, here we are going to move our loop, then $res is equal to mysqli underscore query, then $link, here select star from table 1. Yeah, then while loop, while $row is equal to mysqli underscore ph underscore array, then $res. Now here we can write equal tr equals slash tr equal td equals slash td, and in between here equal $row or field name, id, then first name, last name, email, and contact. So this is the table tag. You can see start from here and end here. So now I refresh here and you can see we got record. Yeah, this is the by mistake. So yeah, so you can see we got here our record. Now we are going to perform here. I will show you update operation, how you can perform from here, delete operation from here, and then after I am going to show you how we can add edit and delete button here after this content. This is the professional way. But before that I will show you how you can update record. Like you can see, first I will show you delete. When I am going to write my name Amit and going to press this delete button, we are going to record the we are going to delete the record whose name is Amit. So for that, here we need to write if is set underscore post. I am going to write here delete, and then we need to write here delete query. So mysqli, yeah, this is our button name. Don't forget, this is not name, this is known as values. This is the name. $link, here delete from table 1 where name is equal to $underscore post first name. Yeah, now here I am going to, oh, syntax mistake. Yeah, oh, record is not deleted. Why? Let me check. Yeah, where first name is equal to, yeah, so we can write here also this way, or die mysqli underscore error $link. So now next time when you are getting an error, it will show you proper error Amit and delete. You can see the record is deleted. Now we are going to perform update operation. Copy paste, here update, here I am going to write update table 1 set first name is equal to underscore post last name. Yeah, everyone did mistake here. Just consider, I just passed the reference of second text box because our second text box name is last name. That's why I just passed the reference. If it means not that I pass your last name, it means this text box is reserved for last name. Nothing like this. This is only for reference. Whatever written in this last name text box, it will pass here. Okay, I will show you. I am going to write here one more record, insert, and I'm going to refresh this page. You can see we got here. Now I'm going to write here Amit is and Amit 2. Now update, and I'm going to refresh this page. You can see this first name is updated. So this way you can update the record. And yeah, you can see after insert I need to refresh this page manually. So if you don't want to refresh this page manually, just write like this: complete the PHP, start the PHP, between that write script type text JavaScript /script and window.location.href is equal to window.location.href. Just I am going to copy this and going to paste everywhere, here and here also. Now I am going to write one more record, and going to insert, and you can see we got directly here. So what happened after inserting the operation, it will refresh the page. Yeah, now here I am going to give you two buttons. One is edit button and one is delete button. So for that, here I am going to add two headings. Yeah, edit, delete. Here also we need. Yeah, now here I am going to complete PHP and start PHP, because I am going to add here button, that's why. So button type button /button class btn success, and here I am going to write edit. Yeah, now let me check. Yeah, we got here. Oh yeah, this is okay. Just copy, paste here, danger, it means red color, and delete. Yeah, now we need to give here ahref tag, ahref complete the A here, again ahref complete A here. Here we can give our page name edit.php, and we are going to pass id from here. Id is equal to, this is the professional way, $id. Here delete.php id is equal to, then and then we can get id actually on which record you click on edit or delete. You can see, just check here when I move mouse, just check here. You can see I move mouse on edit, you can see id is equal to, here id is equal to 3, here also id is equal to 3, and id is equal to 2. Yeah, so now when I'm going to click on delete, you can see this delete page will open, and on that page we will get id is equal to 2. So what we are going to do in this page, we are going to get this id, and then we are going to pass delete query inside this. So first of all we need to create that page. So I am going to create that page. Yeah, now include connection.php. Now I am going to get id underscore get id, then mysqli underscore query $link, then delete from table 1 where id is equal to $id. After performing this operation, we need to use JavaScript to go back on our index.php. So script type text slash javascript slash script, then window dot location is equal to index.php. Yeah, so now here we are going to check. I'm going to click on this record and you can see that record is deleted. Yeah, so now we are going to perform this way edit operation. So for that also we need to create new page. File, new, file, save as, edit.php. So for this edit.php, I'm going to copy this index page code, all the code. I'm going to paste here. Then in edit.php, right now we don't need this, so I'm going to delete this. This table also don't require, so I'm going to delete that also. And here only we need this update button. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to click on this edit and you can see here we got edit.php with this design. Yeah, we don't want this. Okay, but now what we have to do actually, when you click on any record on edit, on that time we need to fill that record here. We want your first name, last name, email and contact. We want to fill that record. So for that, here get that record $id is equal to underscore get id. Yeah, then $res is equal to mysqli underscore query $link, and here we need to write select query. So select star from table 1 where id is equal to $id. Yeah, then while loop, yeah, and here we are going to declare $first name, $last name, $email and $contact, and we are going to save on that declare variable. First name is equal to $row first name. This is known as our table column name, database table. Now here last name, email and here contact. Last name, email and here we need to give contact. Now this value we need to fill inside this text box. So we need to write here value, then echo $first name. Now we are going to copy this value, copy, email and contact. Yeah, now I'm going to show you. You can see we got record here. Just I click on this edit and you can see we got here record. Now we need to perform update operation. So for that we can do here update operation. If is set underscore post and here we need to pass update, and here we need to pass update query. So mysqli underscore query $link update first name is equal to last name is equal to email is equal to contact is equal to where id is equal to $id. Now here we are going to write $_post first name $post last name $post email, and here $post contact. Yeah, after this update operation we need to go back on our index page. So again we need to write here script type text javascript, here window.location is equal to index.php. Yeah, so now here you can see I am going to write here to I change my contact number just click update button. Oh, it is not edited. Let's see. No, something mistake. So we are going to check what is the problem. Update table 1 and set. Yeah, now we are going to check update, and you can see the record is updated. So this way we can perform this basic database operation with all functionalities. You can see insert, update, delete, this is the display, all the functionalities. Yeah, and in part 2 I will show you how we can add image also here. How we can add image, because sometimes they ask that please add image here. So how we can add image, that I will show you in this part 2 video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.